Class will start, will project the equilateral triangle resting on one of its edges on HP. Here is the question. We'll read the question. An equilateral triangle of 30 mm lies on one of its edges. This is important. This lies on one of its edges on HP. Then the lamina makes 60° to HP. It is inclined to HP at 60°, and edge on which it rests is inclined to VP at 60°. Draw its projection. So it is inclined to both the plane. Surface is inclined to HP and edge is inclined to surface inclined to HP, edge is inclined to VP. In this case, as we discussed in the previous class, we have to start the problem solution by writing the top view, keeping the surface parallel to HP, so that when you keep the surface parallel to HP on HP, that is the top view, we get the true shape. With the help of true shape, we will be able to draw the final apparent shape, because we know that when the surface is inclined or edge is inclined, we will get the apparent shape, not the true shape. But the thing is, we will not get the apparent shape without the help of the true shape. So any solution of the projection of lamina, we must start with the true shape. For that, we are writing true shape in the first top view. Means we are adopting a technical change of position method. We change the position according to our need and keep the lamina parallel to HP. In the second and third position, we follow the data given in the question. Okay. Now, there's a solution here. I'll delete it and do it for you again. I'll just delete it. Okay. We know that orthographic projection of lamina will be done only in the first quadrant. So draw the XY line. This XY line is 0.13 width, thin line. Then HP VP is above the XY line, HP is below the XY line. This is for the first quadrant. This is the orthographic representation of the first quadrant. Now, equilateral triangle of 30 mm. Let me construct equilateral triangle. Go to line command, 0.5 mm, equilateral triangle of 30 mm. Click on the drawing sheet. This is the starting point of the line. Then leave the mouse. Type 30 in the keyboard. First angle is 0 in the keyboard. Then 30. Angle is 120. Press enter key in the keyboard. Then again length is 30. Angle is 120 into 2. Press enter key in the keyboard. You got a triangle. Now rotate this triangle such that one of its edge come to your left side. It is resting on the edge. So it is resting on the edge here. Rotate like this. Now I am drawing, keeping the surface parallel to HP so that I am getting the true shape on HP, that is in top view. This is a triangle of 30 mm. Now we have to draw the front view when the surface is parallel to HP. When the surface is parallel to HP, we see the length of one is lamina as a single line. To draw the front view, we have to observe the lamina from here. When you look from here, when you project it, it appears as a line. We see the edge BC only. So make this line dark. This is the front view. Any front view should be dark, 0.5 mm width. Any top and front view should be dark, that is 0.5 mm. XY line is 0.13 mm. Now here, when you look from here, we can see the B. Behind B, there's A, which cannot be seen. So write it B dash and then within the bracket A dash. Because A dash is in the bracket because it's not be seen. This is C dash. This is surface parallel to HP. When it's surface parallel to HP, we get a true shape in the top view, and the front view will be a line. Then the second case is surface inclined to HP at 60°. This is the data given. Surface inclined to HP means draw this front view, copy and move this front view copy, move, and copy on. This color indicates copy is on. Move from this end of the line, keep it on the XY line, come out and right click. Again, go to rotate command, copy off. Blue color indicates copy is off. Click on this end point of the line at the center of rotation. This is the point to rotate from. Rotate like this. It asks you the rotation angle here in the ribbon bar. Rotation angle type 60 and press enter key. Then it asks you the position angle. Position angle is also 60. Type 60 and press enter key in the keyboard. Now it is rotated by an angle of. In the class, we have to redraw, but in the solid software, you can copy, paste, and rotate. You can save a lot of time here. Draw the vertical from C dash. See, switch on the before drawing. This is called alignment indicator. Switch on this command. Switch on this command. Advantage of switching on this command is when you draw the vertical from any point, for example, C dash, I want to draw up to C, it will show the alignment to the dotted lines. So you can stop here. When you show the alignment, you can stop there immediately. Extend this line. Okay, then trim up the extra line. Then go to line command. Take 0.5 mm darkness. Complete this triangle from this point to this point. Before that, you have to name it. This is A, horizontal from A, vertical from A, meet here. Name it as A. Similarly, horizontal from B, vertical from B dash meet here. So this will be B, and similarly this will be C. Now draw a line A to B, B to C sequentially. You have to maintain the sequence. A to B, a dark line, then starting from B, B to C, a dark line, C to A dark line. Go to angle between command, measure the angle between this and this. Dimensioning is very important. Don't forget, whatever the data given in the problem, that should be shown. What is the length of the triangle? 30 mm. It is given, so I have to show that. It makes surface makes an angle of 60° is given in the data, so we have to show that. Whatever the data given, you must dimension it. Next, go to line command. Next is one resting on one of its edges inclined at 60° to VP. Next condition is one of its edge is inclined. One of its edge is inclined to VP at 60°. This is the next condition. So inclined to VP at 60° means it appears on HP, opposite plane. Go to below the XY line, draw a line. Tab key, angle is -60, enter. So length is, angle is fixed, length is flexible. Draw the length whatever you want. That's the advantage of pressing tab key. Then go to angle between and this is 60°. Then again go to select tool, select the upper end shape, this one, second triangle. Then go to move command here. Then click on the copy. This biscuit color indicates copy is on. You have to move from the point A. That's important. You cannot move from any point. Cannot move from C, cannot move from B. You have to move from A only. and keep it on the 60-degree line. Come out and right click. Again, rotate, copy off, copy is already off. Rotation, center of rotation is A, point rotate from is B, keep it on the this line. Okay. Then draw the vertical from C. You get the alignment indicator up to C. So you name it immediately. This is C dash. Front view, C dash. Then draw the vertical from A. It means the horizontal from B. It will be on the XY line itself. This is B. B is also on the XY line itself. Then name it. This is A dash. And this is B dash. Now go to line command. Change the line width to 0.5. Dark line. Start from A dash to B dash, die line from A dash to B dash, B dash to C dash, C dash to A dash. You have to maintain the sequence. Then only you'll get the final apparent shape. This is the final solution. We want to get the final view. This is the final front view. This is the final top view, where the surface is inclined to HP and edge is inclined to VP.